Hi, my name is Coach Moxie. A quick intro. I am here to help you win. Now, and of course, the ideas I share, the strategies I share, you probably have 1,000 different alternatives to it, right? And you probably have better solutions than I'm suggesting. Regardless, you don't have my results. And if you do, congratulations. If you did it in a different way, congratulations equally. But if you don't, you probably need to put your head down and listen to what I have to say, right? This is meticulously recorded progress that I was doing because I knew I will attract you at some point, and you will need as much advantage as I have enjoyed building this. Are you getting it? So get down to business, drive yourself through it, learn, and learn. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. I'm always open for questions. You can email me or reach out to me on any of the contacts I'll put on the screen. I have your best interest. I hope that you work with me so we can make this world better. Thank you. Hi, my name is Coach Moxie. Welcome to another topic in our section. And in this topic, we're diving into you may do designs, but you are not a designer on the platform. This should be short. You may do designs, but you're not a designer on the platform. I don't know how to talk about it again. I really don't know how to say it. Sure, you're a designer. That's what they will give you the infantry to build on PosterMyWall. But that's not exactly what you are on the design, on the platform. That's what you do, not what you are. Because I have a different topic where I dive into that. Sure, you're a designer. That's what actually gives you the audacity to think you should exist on the platform. That's what you will be doing, designing. Not all you will be doing. So that's why it is not what you are. That's what you'll be doing to win, but that's not all you will be doing to win. This is why you are not a designer. You are doing designs. Among many things you should be doing to win. But because of that, you are not a designer. You are somebody more. You are more than a designer. Are you getting it? Because the intention is that, and I see people now, is that you're doing these designs, 10 design publish on your store, 20, 30, 6 is not coming through. Use is not even coming. You are bitching about everything on the community. And it's because you keep thinking you are like you are a designer. Suppose this topic is not the topic I should dive into what you really are. I get it. But I need to tell you that you are doing designs, yes. But that is not who you are. You are much more. Until you realize you are much more, you will complain. Result will look like a fairy tale. Are you getting it? You're not a designer. It is why, without your high quality design, you are seeing people who are doing ridiculous designs, but they're on the leadership board, and you cannot understand. You cannot understand why. Why? It's because somehow they have figured out what they should be on the platform. They have figured out the more, right? That's why. I'm telling you. Once you understand this, you get comfortable with a lot of things. I'm telling you. You're not a designer. You do designs. Are you getting it? It's because that road you do design is why there are people who are ridiculously winning that you cannot seem to explain. Like you are doing something that should, you are not a designer on the platform. Yeah, because I have a topic I want to dive into that more. I don't want to explain this here, but I can tell you for sure, you are not a designer. You do design, but that's not all you do. You do more than designs. If you're going to win, I get it. But, you are more than a designer. Understand that. Stay tuned to know what you really are.